Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Pepsi is made step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
The precise combination of ingredients is carefully blended, ensuring that every drop is perfectly syrup balanced.
The flow meter is fluctuating.
I'm stabilizing the temperature now. It's back in range.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality. Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how Pepsi is made, point to point, from start to finish.